Hi, what's up guys? It's me Anafan and welcome back to techaply. In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to use the mini pepper grinder. So let's get started. First, let me open and see the parts. With this pepper grinder, I've got a glass pot and one pepper mill made by ABS plastic. Inside, it has a spring. This is the most important part of the grinder. You can adjust the size of the peppers from this nut bolt. Fastening or loosening this depends on your choice. Next, let's test out grinding some black peppers. Open the pot and put some peppers in. Now, fasten the pepper mill on. Then, hold the pot upside down. Next, start grinding by fastening the pot over the mill. Fastening the grinder by clockwise grinding, loosening the grinder by unclockwise grinding. Easy peasy, right? Here is the black peppers powder that I've got. That's it for today's video, guys. If you want to watch more tutorials on techaply, please visit more at how to playlist in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorial videos later on. Bye for now.